Today we're going to make this New Year's Eve party glasses craft. Happy New Year!
For today's craft, you are going to need some scissors, a pencil, glue, paper in a variety of different colors. Here I am using a craft stick, but you could also use a popsicle stick. A craft stick is a little bit wider and a popsicle stick is a little bit more narrow. And here I have a bunch of markers. You could use markers, crayons, or pencil crayons. It's completely up to you. So go ahead, grab your supplies, and let's get started. Okay, here we go. I apologize for my dog barking in the background. He is clearly upset about something. I am going to use red for the main part of my glasses today, my little mask. So I'm choosing the red to do that. What I'm going to do is take my red and I'm going to fold it over. And when I get it folded over, I want to go to the fold side. I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to draw, let's see, I'll go down, not to the middle, but maybe a quarter. So this is about a quarter, that's the middle, and that's about another quarter. So 3/4 of the way. So if I go in the middle, just jump up a bit and put a dot. Go to the middle, jump down a bit and put a dot. And then I'm going to take my pencil and just draw a line that goes up around here and joins here. That's going to be your glasses. Now these seem pretty big, so hopefully they're not too big, but that's what I'm going to do. You can always make them a little bit smaller. Okay, and then what I want to do is, now remember this is a folded line, I'm going to put a circle right here. So I'm going to put a circle, and you can see I have it a little bit more to the middle, and this is like a little bit larger. That's okay, that's what I want. And it also doesn't have to be a perfect circle, you just do the best you can. Okay, I am going to pause right now. Don't worry, you can go ahead and cut this out, and I will join you shortly. So you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut. Don't cut here. And then when you cut the middle, I'll help you with that part in just a minute. I need to go and let my dog outside.
Here's a little picture of him. Isn't he cute?
Okay, so here I'm back. I'm cutting. You're probably already done. Okay, I've done that part. Now when I cut the middle, you might want to get someone to help you with this. It can be tricky. But if you're doing it yourself, the one way I like to do it is, here's the middle of the circle right here. I'm just going to kind of fold that middle so I can only see half of the circle I've drawn. And then carefully, I am just going to cut that half. And because it's half, it will actually make a nice circle. It should be the same on one side as it is on the other. It'll be symmetrical. So there we go. Then when we open it up, ta-da! Now, if those glasses are a bit too big or your mask is a bit too big, you can make it a little bit smaller. That is okay. You would just trim around the outside, or you can start again. There's no right or wrong here. We can make a bunch of masks if we want to. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my craft stick. If you have a popsicle stick, use that. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on it, just on one side, on the top here. And you decide which side you want to put it on the left or the right. Just going to go in behind. And I'm just going to glue that down so you can see here. And this is what I will be holding up. And now for the fun part, we get to decorate. So using all of your other colors, you are going to decorate. Guess what? I have to go let the dog in now.
This is him when he's sleeping. Then he's quiet.
Okay, so because this is 2026, at least it is for me, I don't know when you're watching this video, but it is going to be 2026, I want to put 2026 at the top. So I am going to do that, and you can choose any color. You can see I have these colors here, but I could get more. I could use just what if I don't have that many, I could use fewer colors. It really doesn't matter. But I think what I'm going to do is for my 2026, I could cut out the numbers. I'm just going to show you. I could cut out the numbers exactly like a 2, a 0, a 2, and a 6, or I could cut out just a circle, put the circles on, and then print the number on top. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, just to do something a little bit different. Now I want one number in yellow, I want one number in white, and I think I will do, do I want 2 blues or 2 yellows? I think I want 2 yellows, so I'm actually gonna fold my yellow over here so that when I'm done, I have a yellow, a white, and a blue. So what I mean by that is when I'm done, I'm gonna draw my circle and then cut them all out, and I'll have 4 circles, 1 for each number. Now you could draw a circle freehand. Let's see what I have lying around here. I've got all kinds of stuff here. Here's a little bit of tape. I think that's too big, so that's not gonna work. And that's too small, so that's not gonna work. So you could either go try to find a circle tracer, or guess what? You're gonna have to draw it on your own. You don't even have to use a circle. This would be great with a star or a heart. Any shape would be great, actually. You do not have to use a circle, or you could do every one differently. But I'm gonna do 4 circles. So essentially when I'm done cutting this out, I'm gonna have 4 circles. Like I said, you can do a 2 and like trace a 2 and then cut it out, and then a 0, a 2, and a 6. You could do shapes and then write them on. There is no right or wrong, and that's the wonderful thing about this. You could make this a whole bunch of times, and it will can look different every single time. Everyone in your family can get together and you can all make your own, or you can make one for everybody in your family. So these are the circles. I'm going to put them up here. Now I'm going to put a 2 in yellow, 2, 0, 2, 6. That's how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to use a marker, but you could use whatever you have. And I'm going to put the numbers right on here. Okay, now we are ready to put those on. And I just like to put a little bit of glue on the tip here and glue those down. So I'll put the 2, I think I'll put the 0 going a little slanted the other way. Woo! And I'll slant these ones a little bit. There we go. Now I'm going to use my colors and just cut out little shapes. This is where if you have stickers or stamps, or you can get your markers, crayons, and pencil crayons and draw things on. You can cut out little shapes and glue them on. You can be as creative as you would like. And you are just gonna go ahead and decorate. So here I am cutting out some little triangles. I think I will cut out some rectangles. Not sure how many I need, so I'll just keep cutting here, and then I'll just glue them on, and if I need more as I go, then I can do that. I'm gonna cut out maybe a large circle, maybe a small circle if I have room here. Oh, this is turning out to be my small circle. Maybe some hearts. I'm running out of yellow paper here, so might have to just use this one. So as you can see, I'm just randomly cutting things out, and then I'm just gonna place them and glue them down and see how it goes. And when you are happy with your beautiful craft, it is all done and you are ready to celebrate. I hope you enjoyed this craft. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.